you remember the moment of tears, the moment of agony, a time where women are treated as slaves, when men never care about their freedom? A woman arose. Her name is Woman King. They fight to the end. Every blood spill is the strength and tears of their ancestors. A cry for a freedom life, a life free from slavery, a life free from foreign control. They build their strength. Together they stand as one. When the leopard change its spot, it will not be as easy, not without putting up a fight. But their strength paid off at last. They pulled out the foreign forces away from their land. In one quest, they stand strong, not even fizzled in the face of death. A fight that will not be forgotten. And history was made. History that pegged into the heart of generations to come. Heroes fell, a display of patriotism and loyalty and quest for freedom, spilled their blood, laid down their lives. Yet freedom was partial. In today's world, slavery still continues, though in a modern style. An history that will never be forgotten in the heart of generations. What we now enjoy is the freedom brought to us by the what we will never forget is your quest, Woman King.